Hello. Somebody asked me a question about styling, and so I wanted style sheets and whether you should have a different one per page. And now I can't remember who it was and couldn't find it. So, you should definitely use one style sheet. Most of your things will be the same. Your typography should be the same, meaning your H1 tags, your H2 tags, and 3 and 4. They should all be set up as global. So, I'm just having like, blah, I'll keep talking. So yes, global styles for everything so that there's consistency. You probably will even have the same padding and margin in like different areas of your site. And then let's say like on one page you have a section, or let's say you have like the body of your page is going to be a different background color, or you're going to have a different header background, right? So let's say, I start coding and I'm like, okay, header is going to have a background image of, let's just make it a kitten, http place kitten.com. Right, so here's my my background image, and let's give it, I'm just gonna like quickly background size cover so that it takes up the whole area. And then I'm going to make it, the width of my header is going to be 100% of the VW, the viewport width, and the height is going to be 400 pixels. Okay, so there's my header. Open in browser, there's my kitty. And so let's say this is the home page. I'll just put home here. So what if on the about page, you want to have a different header? Well, what you can do, what I like to do is you can either, the easiest thing to do is in the body, just declare a class called, I like to call it something like about dash page. So I know that it's like the body class, like it's kind of like the top class, right? And then index, you could have class equals home dash page. So then this way you can kind of control that header. So in style, this could be like my default global header, right? But if I have something different on my about page, I can change that background image to something different. But okay, so header, oh, I lost a curly bracket. See how that turned from blue to black? It's because something is wrong, and it's because I missed that last curly bracket for header. There we go. Okay, so I'll change this background image, but only on the about page. So I'm going to say dot about dash page space header. And what this is going to do is it's going to say, if it's a header, but it's inside a class called about page, and that's all the way up in the body tag. Oops, I guess I should give this a header, huh? Okay, whoops, close that. Then that way it knows, okay, I'm on the about page, I'm this header, so I'm going to be different. So that's kind of how you can override things, and it can go all the way down to like on your about page, I don't know, maybe you want all of your paragraphs to have a different color. Like on the index page, all of your paragraphs will be purple, and on your more 20. So you could say, okay, well, I would always recommend having a default. So paragraph, we'll just say the color is black. But if I'm on the about page and I'm a paragraph, so about space page, I want my color to be something exciting. Teal. Teal's a color, right? Oh, I'm in Sublime. It doesn't autofill. And then I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to say on the home dash page, if I'm a paragraph, and this will do all paragraphs on that page, then I'm going to be fuchsia. See if I can spell right. So let's try this out. So here's index page. Oh, it's black. What's wrong? Home page. Maybe fuchsia. I can't spell fuchsia. Okay, I'll just do purple. Purple. There we go. So homepage, all the paragraphs are going to be purple. But if we go to the about page, about.html, then they'll all be teal. And if you look at the inspect tool, you'll see that first it's assigned black, but then this overrides it because it's more specific than just like a plain paragraph tag. So we're covering it for default, and then we're overriding it with more specific. But yeah, definitely you want to have everything in one style sheet because it gets really hard to keep all of your things consistent, like all of your global styles consistent if you've got multiple files. Okay, hope this was good. All right, 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Sweet. See you later.